A gun on a table.
Please vote for us. We really want to get out of here. And if we get in, maybe we could try separating. Yeah, like that's gonna happen. Shut up, man. You're ruining our moment.
Wall with a face. Blue sponge.
Vote me, I guess. I don't know. It's pretty cozy and lonely in here.
Boat.
I don't really want to join, but you can vote for me if you want.
Brick.
Listen, as the scientist and the smartest one here, my calculations say if I join OTA, I will be able to provide the best entertainment out of everyone here. Or will bribery suffice?
Bullet bill item. Cracker.
If you like sticky cheese and mashed potatoes, you should go for me!
Electric box. Fake apple.
Well, you guys can vote for me if you want, but I don't want to join another unoriginal competition show, so vote someone better.
Gold wall. Gray guy.
Look, you better vote for me, because 1, mean characters make the show more interesting, and 2, there are only 4 people left with arms in the show, so vote me now!
Incinerator.
Hi guys, please vote me. I don't really have anything else to say, so...
Mutated taco. Phone.
Oh, huh? What's going on? I don't want to join. It's too much pressure. Nobody wants me to be exposed, right? Wait, how can you hear?
Pinky.
Why would I join a dumb competition show again?
Sideways cup. And t-shirt cannon.
Let me join the game. I was so close joining, and there's no way I don't deserve this chance.
Now, viewers, start voting.